Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love blueberries. I like them as is, baking with them, or using in savory recipes. I also like using them when making breakfast, just like in this episode, where I'll be showing you how to make my fluffy blueberry pancakes. With butter and maple syrup, this is a delicious way to start your day. So my friends, let's get cooking. First, we'll make the pancake batter. I won't go into details on how to make it because there's an episode on it. And to view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. After this is done, we'll add fresh blueberries and some lemon zest. Not a lot, but just enough to brighten it up. We'll stir very well until the ingredients are nicely incorporated and let the batter rest for 15 minutes. Next, we'll warm up on medium-high heat either a skillet, a griddle, or like what I'm using here, which is a crepe maker. Perfect for pancakes too. We'll add butter. Now, I'm adding only 1 teaspoon because I'll be working in batches. But if your griddle or skillet is bigger to make them all in one batch, then add the 2 teaspoons of butter. When it gets hot, we'll ladle on about a 1/4 cup of the batter, trying to gently spread out the blueberries, and cook the pancakes for 2.5 to 3 minutes per side, or until brown. We'll serve them immediately with butter and maple syrup. And my friends, these are our fluffy blueberry pancakes. With a nice warm blueberry burst, these are incredibly delicious. They're also quick and easy to make. Fluffy and tasty, this is the perfect weekend breakfast to serve your family. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!